Here is part 2. I've got the same setup, but I've got all of the bolts and other stuff that will fit over that line, and they all should be making electrical contacts, so they all should be electrolysing. Let's see. That guy should be, these guys here should be, yep, they are. Generating bubbles. Okay, well, we'll leave that for a couple hours and come back and see what we get. Here is the second batch, and there's a lot of rust there floating around. So let me shut everything off and take it out and take a look at everything. All right, here they are. So they still look rusty, but I don't know if that just needs to be brushed off. So I am going to do that, and we'll see how they look. After scrubbing them, some of them came out pretty good. But then some of them looks like it didn't do anything. And I'm guessing though these didn't have a good electrical connection to this galvanized wire. So I'm going to put them in again and see if they come out better. But those actually, if you look at, you know, that versus that, these guys came out pretty good. So I'm gonna put all these in again. I don't really need these bolts. I can buy new bolts and washers, but just the principle of it. So let me give that a try. I've got all the pieces back together, or all cleaned, I should say. Now this guy, I actually sanded. I sanded him and then sprayed a protective oil dry spray on it, and it doesn't look too bad. I got the rust off, so I'll put it all back together, see if it works. There it is, all back together. Looks much nicer. Everything works. All the gears are turning. I haven't tightened everything down because I just want to make sure everything worked. But that is good. First one done.